is up, you guys? It is Bria Renee, and today I am back with another video. We're going to be doing a productive day in my life, or like a little productive vlog. I did make a list of things that I need to get done today. All right, y'all, so one of the first things that I'm about to do is fold all of these clothes that's in this hamper. As you can see, it's a lot, and this hamper is tired. It's literally dented up because the clothes are so heavy in here. It's like dented on both sides. Let's just go ahead and get right into this folding, and I will come back to you guys once I'm done.
When it's all said and done, will I still be cool? Spent like 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000. How much I'ma spend profiling? She come in and compliment my closet. On the floor like I don't give a.
Alright, y'all, so let's put these clothes away. Y'all, I actually really need to like clean my drawers out pretty bad, but like I'm not doing that today. My socks, these jeans, and my towel. The hamper's empty. It was just dryer sheets in there. But guess what, y'all? In my closet, there's a mini mountain of clothes. So yeah, I'm probably gonna, if I get to the laundry, then I'm gonna show y'all, but I'm gonna be washing my bathroom, and I like to wash my shower curtain, so that's priority. And then if I get to these clothes, then we get to the clothes. But y'all, laundry is just never ending, so y'all know how it is. So let me just show y'all. So embarrassing. The fact that all the dirty clothes in there just filled the hamper all the way back up, it's just really depressing. I'm just gonna put this back in here, and we're gonna get to it. All right, y'all, I'm just about to straighten off my dresser.
My opposition wish I'd stop smiling. My family wish I stopped wildin'. I'm still on the east side smoking with my OGs. Cause they the only ones that really know me. I was superstars when I was 19. Shit we did, you won't believe me. Now I'm at the turn up looking lonely. And they run around quiet at them house parties.
Alright, y'all, I am back. I think the last thing that I did was clean my mirror in my room. Y'all, this is a brand new camera. If you know, you know, but the battery life is not all that. And I only have one battery. So the time is now like 12:25. I'm about to get ready to put my shower curtain in the wash. Y'all, do y'all wash y'all shower curtain? Like, do y'all? Be honest. Like, I'm talking about the curtain and the liner. Speaking of liners, honestly, I feel like I need to get another one, but whatever. I'm about to clean this bathroom. Honestly, it's bad, y'all. And I think I let it get this bad because I was like, I'm gonna clean it, I'm gonna clean it, I'm gonna clean it, I'm gonna clean it. So then the mess just keeps piling on versus, you know, like when you're trying to keep it clean, you know, you start putting stuff up. But yeah, it's a mess. Don't judge me. But basically, this is my counter. The past few days, it's just been a lot going on. But yeah, I'm just using this toilet bowl cleaner. I'm ODing. Comment down below if you hate cleaning the bathroom, because girl, it's not giving. I mean, it's giving because it never did dirty, but like okay, let me shut up because that's so stupid. The tub is now clean. I'm just gonna put some of my hygiene products back. But yeah, it's spotless. I did do the walls and I did those 2 shelves. I just didn't show y'all because I'm trying to save battery life. Boom. Boom. Should I put them right there? Does that make it look cluttered? I wish I could tell me right now. Like, should I just put those under the sink? I'm gonna just leave it. Y'all, when I told you in that haul that these are all I use, I didn't lie. Passive with the things you say. Passing up on my always, I can't blame you. Passionate from miles away. Passive with the things you say. Passing up on my own ways, I can't blame you, no. Alright y'all, it is like 1:55 right now and the bathroom is done. My room is completely done. I want to clean the kitchen. Yeah, let's go into the kitchen. Oh, real quick, check the bathroom. If I didn't already show y'all, shower curtain is back up. It came out of the wash and I actually went and put the foot mat in the washing machine, so that's washing right now. It doesn't look dirty, but it's dirty. So if I just turn a little bit more, yeah, y'all see it. Y'all see all those dishes that need to be washed. So I'm gonna do these dishes really quick. Listen, part of building trust from the distance. I think we should rule out the limits and now cause we're falling apart. Home stretch, we making it. It's currently 2:22. So I got the kitchen done like way faster than I thought. Well, it ain't done, but you know, we working on it. Call but and go home. I've been in this club too long. The woman that I would try is happy with a good guy. But I've been drinking so much that I'ma call her anyway and say, that nigga that you love so bad, I know you still think about the times we had. I say, that nigga that you think you found didn't sit you. Alright y'all, so I just finished cleaning the kitchen and real quick before I hop in the shower, I'm going to do my eyebrows. Honestly, from here, it doesn't really look like they need to be done, but I just need to go over them a little bit. So this is gonna be a part of my little self-care parts of the video. But yeah, I'm just gonna start off by brushing my eyebrows with my spoolie. And don't be saying you're finna die, please. I put you on a charger for 15 minutes. Please don't do this to me. Then I'm gonna go in with my razor and shave around the brow. Okay, I can rush with a lot of things, but I cannot rush while doing this. So, honestly, they're not that bad. And we're gonna do the other side. These tweezers. Ooh, got the skin that hurt. All right, I'll be back when I'm done with this eyebrow. It's, oh my God, my phone is way over there. Ooh, don't let the camera fall. Okay, so it's currently 4:02. I started filming around 10:45, something like that. So like, y'all, I've been doing this all day, literally. But anyways, yeah, it's 4:02, and I am a cheer coach, so during the nights I have to leave so that I can go coach, and then I come back home. So I guess when I come back, I'll go ahead and like kind of finish up this video, because I do want to do a little bit of self-care to end my day. Before I go, which will be in about 30 to 45 minutes, I am going to edit. So I'm gonna let y'all just watch me edit for a little bit, and then I guess I'll come back when I come back from the gym. First I do. So I'm just gonna see. What's up, y'all? It's Real Renee. Alright, y'all, I am back and I'm about to hop in the shower. I'm already in the bathroom. The time is currently 10:39, and we've literally been productive all day, y'all. We got up, we cleaned. It was really nice to just come home to a clean space. Like, it was really nice. So I'm glad I went ahead and followed through with being productive. So I'm about to hop in the shower, and then once I get out, we're gonna do a little bit of self-care, and then we're gonna be done, okay? I just got out of the shower. I got my little sexy robe on, feeling real grown. I actually really feel like I want a glass of wine, but since I already brushed my teeth in the shower, I'm not gonna worry about it. But yeah, I'm just gonna do like, not even like no full facial. I did already cleanse my face, and I exfoliated when I was in the shower. And so all I'm about to do right now, do a little mask, a little face mask. So I'm using this honey mask. I hope this thing is focused, y'all, because if it's not, I'm gonna literally cry while I'm editing. But y'all, I do have brushes, but like this mask is, girl, this mask is like super sticky, so I'm just gonna use my finger. I'm the only one that uses it, so it's fine. I freaking love this mask. Oh my gosh. Ugh. All right, y'all, now that I'm done putting this mask on, I'm about to journal and do some affirmations for a little bit. Look at us, just masking and about to journal and stuff. I literally need like multiple journals, because I have like content ideas in here. I have journal entries, I have goals, I have affirmations. Like, it's just, it's a lot. So the date, like, I think it's really cool. Like, y'all should always be putting the date on your journal entries, just to go back and be like, wow, this time 6 months ago, this was my space that I'm in, and now look at me now, you know? It's October 10th. Okay, so it's 11:47 p.m. and I'm just gonna get to writing. So let's do this. All right, y'all, I just got done journaling, and I'm about to do some cold globes on my face. They're just really soothing, and I just feel like this is just gonna add to my self-care. So yeah, it's just these little mini cold globes, and they're so cooling, and it feels so good. And it's like a little mini massage, and I just love it so much. All right, I think I'm done with the cold globes now. All right. And I'm done. All right, y'all, we are done with the self-care portion of this video, and honestly, that's it, y'all. That's all I got for y'all. I know this video is probably already a little lengthy, so if you made it to the end, you are real. I thank you so much for watching my video. I really hope that this video just really encouraged y'all to get up and get productive and get some stuff done, y'all. Whatever you've been putting off, y'all, go do it. Make a to-do list and get it done. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure that you give me a like. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. We're going to bed, baby. It's 12:19. We're going to bed, so I'm out, y'all. Bye.